In this video, I'll be changing the oil in this third generation Kia Optima with a 2.4 liter GDI engine. According to the owner's manual, the oil and filter should be changed every 7,500 miles or 12 months for regular service, or every 3,750 miles or 6 months for severe usage conditions. The tools that you need are a 16mm socket, ratchet, and torque wrench, a funnel, a rubber glove, some paper towels or shop rags, a floor jack and jack stands or ramps, an oil catch pan. You'll also need 4.86 quarts of 5W20 or 5W30 motor oil. The manual recommends 5W20 for better fuel economy, but 5W30 is also approved for all temperature ranges. You're also going to need an oil filter, as well as a replacement crush washer for the oil drain plug. Links are in the description below. Get started by setting the parking brake and opening the hood, then remove the oil fill cap. Now it's time to lift the car. Unfortunately, there's no central lift points in the front of the engine strong enough to support its weight, so you may be better off with ramps if you have them. However, using my low profile floor jack, I was able to find a central lift point on the frame behind the engine, and when using a jack, always use jack stands for safety. Thankfully, there are access holes for the oil drain and oil filter in the plastic engine splash shield. So using the 16mm socket and a gloved hand, remove the oil drain plug. Make sure to have your catch pan ready as soon as you remove the plug. While the oil is draining, use a paper towel to clean off the drain plug. If your plug has a silicone gasket like this, you should be fine to reuse it. However, if it's a standard aluminum crush washer, it's a good idea to replace it with every oil change. After the oil is finished draining, clean around the area with a paper towel. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to 25 to 33 foot-pounds. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. After moving the catch pan underneath the oil filter, unscrew the old filter counterclockwise. Check the mounting flange on the engine for any debris and clean if necessary. Take the new oil filter and coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil before installing. This oil filter calls for an additional 3/4 of a turn after the filter gasket makes contact with the mounting flange for the correct torque. After the new filter is installed, remove the jack stands and slowly lower the car back to the ground. Using a funnel, add 4.86 quarts of oil to the engine, then reinstall the oil fill cap. Run the engine for a couple minutes to circulate the oil, then turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle before cleaning off the dipstick to check the oil level. The level should be between the two dots. If it's too low when you first check it, wait a few more minutes to see if it comes up after more oil settles. If you need to, add additional oil to get it within normal operating range. I hope this video helped you. I would really appreciate it if you would click the like button at the bottom and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below.